Hi, my name is Anna.
And I'm Emily, and we are from
Made with Love. And today we are making lunch bag paper stars. We have our glue. We're gonna put a stripe down in the middle, line at the bottom. Make sure you have bags. I-5. For kids, it would be easier, and for grown-ups, you can have as many as you want.
So we're gonna glue them all together one at a time. Like Anna said, straight down the middle, then at the bottom. And then when we're done gluing them all together, we are gonna make some cuts in different spots.
And open them.
And then we open them up and we take the last two and glue them together. So come along for the ride. We're gonna get to making our stars.
Yeah.
And we're back. We've made our stars. We've got these beautiful, beautiful shapes. Mine was made with 7 bags like we originally talked about. And Anna, even though she tried with 5 to start with, it wouldn't actually close. So we ended up having to use 8 bags total for hers. And I'm not sure what the difference is. We tried 7, but it still didn't close. So I don't know if it has to do with the shapes because they're different or what, but just know you might need to add a few extra bags in there.
And now let's paint.
And now we are going to add some color to our bags.